friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Rajendra Bedwal. Friends, in this video, we are going to learn what is pronoun and what are the different kinds of pronouns. So, keep watching and keep learning. Without a further delay, let's get started. Pronoun. Look at this example. Raju is absent because Raju is ill. We can say the same sentence like this. Raju is absent because he is ill. Now, in the second sentence, the word he is used instead of a noun Raju, and he is a pronoun. So, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Now, look at this passage. Mr. Pardeshi is a teacher. Mr. Pardeshi teaches English. Mr. Pardeshi's school has over 500 students. Everyone respects Mr. Pardeshi for Mr. Pardeshi's honesty. We can see that the passage looks odd to read. Why? Because Mr. Pardeshi's name is repeated so many times. Now, look at this passage. Mr. Pardeshi is a teacher. He teaches English. His school has over 500 students. Everyone respects him for his honesty. The passage now reads better. Why? Because the repetition of Mr. Pardeshi's name has been avoided by the use of words like he, his, and him. This example shows that pronouns are very useful. मित्रांनो, या उदाहरणावरून आपल्याला सर्वनामांचे महत्त्व लक्षात येते. Pronouns help us to avoid using the same nouns repeatedly in sentences. Now let's see kinds of pronouns. Pronouns are of different kinds. They are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and relative pronoun. In this video, we are going to learn only personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. The remaining kinds of pronouns we will learn in next video. Number 1. Personal pronouns. The words I, me, you, it, he, him, she, her, we, us, they, them are called personal pronouns because they stand for three persons. First person, second person and third person. मित्रांनो, हे समजण्यासाठी आपण एक उदाहरण बघूया. समजा राजू हा संजूला राधाबद्दल बोलतोय. तर या ठिकाणी राजू इज अ फर्स्ट पर्सन ॲज ही इज स्पीकिंग. संजू इज अ सेकंड पर्सन ॲज ही इज लिसनिंग टू राजू. अँड राधा इज अ थर्ड पर्सन कारण राजू हा राधाबद्दल बोलतोय. सो राजू might be telling like this, I tell you that she is a very beautiful girl. So, first person is the person who is speaking, like I, me, we, us. Second person is the person who is being directly spoken to, for example, you. And third person is the person who is being spoken about, for example, he, him, she, her, it, they, and them. A personal pronoun can be used the subject or the object of a sentence. For example, number 1, he gave a powerful speech. या वाक्यामध्ये he हे सब्जेक्ट म्हणून वापरलेलं आहे. Look at this example. Teacher punished her. या वाक्यात her हे पर्सनल प्रोनाउन ऑब्जेक्ट म्हणून वापरलेलं आहे. Here is a table that will help you to understand subject and object forms of personal pronouns. First person singular I, me. First person plural we, us. Second person singular and plural subject is you and object also is you. Third person singular he, him, she, her, it, it. Third person plural they and them. Number 2, possessive pronouns. Personal pronouns are also used to show possession. Words such as mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs are called possessive pronouns. For example, this book is mine. Those books are yours. These pens are ours. मित्रांनो, मालकी हक्क दर्शवण्यासाठी वापरलेले प्रोनाउन्स हे पजेसिव्ह प्रोनाउन्स असतात. जसे ह्या 3 उदाहरणांमध्ये माइन, युअर्स, अवर्स हे शब्द मालकी हक्क दर्शवतात, म्हणून हे पजेसिव्ह प्रोनाउन्स आहेत. वर्ड्स सच ॲज माय, अवर, युअर, हीज, हर, इट्स, देअर are called possessive adjectives because they are used with nouns and do the work of adjectives. For example, this is my book. In this sentence, my is a pronoun that shows possession, but at the same time, this word is used here as an adjective because it gives more information about the noun book. So, we can call it as possessive adjective. Let's see some more examples. That is her book. These are our pens. Those are your pens. ह्या उदाहरणांमध्ये her, our, your are possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are also called pronominal adjectives as they are formed from pronouns. Things to remember. Friends, always remember possessive adjectives are used before nouns. For example, this is my book. मित्रांनो, possessive adjectives हे नेहमी नामापूर्वी वापरले जातात. जसं या ठिकाणी माय हे पजेसिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आहे जे बुक या नामापूर्वी वापरलेलं आहे. नंबर 2, पजेसिव्ह प्रोनाउन्स डू नॉट प्रिसीड द नाउन्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, दिस बुक इज माइन. मित्रांनो, पजेसिव्ह प्रोनाउन्स नंतर नाउन्स वापरले जात नाहीत. जसं ह्या उदाहरणामध्ये माइन या पजेसिव्ह प्रोनाउन नंतर कोणतंच नाउन वापरलेलं नाही. नंबर 3, द वर्ड हीज इज यूज्ड बोथ ॲज अन ॲडजेक्टिव्ह अँड ॲज अ प्रोनाउन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, दिस इज हिज बुक. ह्या उदाहरणामध्ये हीज हे पजेसिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणून वापरलेलं आहे. नंबर 2, दिस बुक इज हिज. ह्या उदाहरणामध्ये हिज हे पजेसिव्ह प्रोनाउन म्हणून वापरलेलं आहे. थोडक्यात हिज हे प्रोनाउन पजेसिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आणि पजेसिव्ह प्रोनाउन दोन्ही पद्धतीने वापरले जाते. नंबर 4, यू इज यूज्ड ॲज सिंग्युलर अँड प्लुरल, बट इन ऑल केसेस इट टेक्स द प्लुरल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. लुक ॲट दीज 2 एक्झाम्पल्स. नंबर 1, राम, why are you late? नंबर 2, स्टुडंट्स, why are you late? मित्रांनो, पहिल्या वाक्यामध्ये यू हे सिंग्युलर म्हणून वापरलेलं आहे आणि दुसऱ्या वाक्यामध्ये यू हे प्लुरल म्हणून वापरलेलं आहे. पण दोन्ही ठिकाणी त्यांच्यासाठी वापरलेला क्रियापद मात्र प्लुरल आहे. नंबर 5. We do not use an apostrophe with possessive pronouns. For example, this laptop is hers is incorrect, whereas this laptop is hers is correct. Number 6. The word person does not mean only humans. It can refer to animals or things too. For example, number 1. We saw a lioness in the forest. She was staring at us. Number 2. What's the matter with these plants? They are all drying up. पहिल्या वाक्यामध्ये शी हे प्रोनाऊन ॲनिमलसाठी वापरलेलं आहे. दुसऱ्या वाक्यामध्ये दे हे प्रोनाऊन प्लांट्ससाठी वापरलेलं आहे. नंबर 7. मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला जर फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन आणि थर्ड पर्सन एकाच वाक्यात वापरायचे असतील तर त्यांची प्रॉपर सिक्वेन्स ही सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन अँड फर्स्ट पर्सन अशीच असायला पाहिजे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, यू, ही अँड आय मस्ट हेल्प दॅट मॅन. नंबर 8. The form its is used only as a possessive adjective and not as a pronoun. For example, this lock is for the cupboard. This is its key. We don't say this key is its. It's time for exercise. मित्रांनो, स्क्रीनवर दिलेल्या वाक्यांमधील प्रोनाउन्स ओळखून तुम्हाला त्यांचे प्रकार सांगायचे आहेत. So friends, if you have any suggestion, please write in a comment box. If you really like my video, please hit the like button. If you think it is useful, then do share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.